It's even got fingerprint mode where I can unlock the phone with my fingerprint. Ooh, look at that screen. It's beautiful. Today I have the new B40 5G phone, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm absolutely loving this phone. I don't see how they packed all these features in a $300 phone. The screen is the biggest thing that stands out to me. It's an AMOLED screen, and it is gorgeous. It is definitely brighter than my iPhone. Whee! I really like the curved edges. It goes off, the screen actually goes around the edge. Man, that's pretty. For a budget phone, this thing is only $300 with a screen like that. That's impressive. The camera, it takes pretty good pictures and video. The only thing that I have to complain about on this is it cannot shoot 4K. It shoots 2K. Wow. First impressions are, I'm impressed. Check that out. It's even got a little screen on the back. On the back, you can access your music, your time. It's got a compass and a camera. And there's the camera. Oh, that'll be handy. Oh, no way. That is cool. I can see if I'm in frame on the front of the screen. That's gonna help me out tremendously. I don't even have to have another person now setting my camera up. I'm not an Android user, so I'm gonna have to get used to this, but I think I'm gonna be now. This screen is better than my iPhone screen. I cannot get over how beautiful that screen is.
Introducing the new Mobile B40 5G Android smartphone. An impressive blend of style, speed, and functionality. Featuring a large 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, this device makes everything from scrolling to streaming feel ultra-fluid. On the back, you'll find a striking 1.6-inch Vista secondary AMOLED screen, perfect for quick notifications, music controls, or even camera previews, adding both flair and practicality. Under the hood, it's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Octa-Core processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, giving you plenty of headroom for apps, games, and media. Capture the moment with a dual rear camera setup, 64 megapixel main plus 2 megapixel macro, and a 16 megapixel front-facing lens, all running Android 15. The 5,000 milliamp hour battery supports 33 watts fast charging, so you're ready to roll when you are. Sleek at just 8.4 millimeters thick and weighing about 185 grams, the B40 offers both power and portability.
This thing is super responsive. I cannot believe this is a budget phone. For $300, you cannot go wrong with this phone. Check it out. It'll be linked down below.